This is part 2 of metal detecting the honey hole. Enjoy. Guys, if you're just tuning in and you missed the beginning of the metal detecting the honey hole series, right here is a link that'll take you back to the very beginning. If you want to watch right from here, in this next clip I'm going to explain the background on this property. I'm really excited about this piece of property. I've pulled over 200 silver coins and relics out of these woods. There's a nearby creek. I'm not exactly sure what happened here, but judging from all the silver that came from here, gold, you name it, some sort of commerce was taking place there. I don't know if it was an old still. I don't know, but I'm trying to figure it out. Take a look at the finds. If you guys have any ideas of what this place might have been over the course of videos that I'm gonna post, please let me know. Here I am at the honey hole. I just found a piece of wood with some paint on it and an interesting nail, square nail with a round head. Never seen anything like that. Maybe this is a clue as to what this place was. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, you want to find out more about this place that I've got this multi-part series going on, click that subscribe button now. So here's the piece of wood. Some paint on it. Again, this may or may not be related, I don't know. But let's take a look at this nail. Square nail with a round head. I mean, obviously this wood isn't that old, with paint still showing on it. See the head of that nail. So if you guys out there watching have any idea of maybe the age of this type of nail, let me know. I just dug this. Maybe some sort of a latch, but it looks like it had white paint on it at some time, just like that wood that I dug up a few minutes ago. Definitely white paint. Let me know what this is, if anybody out there knows. Laying right here on top of the ground. I think that might be a pipe fragment. Little hole going through the center. Yeah, little piece of pipe. Got this little faint signal. That looks like a little button. The honey hole is still producing. Deep signal. It's a little bit iffy, but so I got this hole right at the very bottom there. You can see how deep that is. That's probably a 10-inch hole. Just flipped this out. Haven't actually knocked it off yet. What does that look like? That looks like a buckle to me. And I see 2 pieces right there. So I wonder how much of this is complete. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. I think that's gonna be a complete buckle. Look at that. Oh yeah. Man. Complete shoe buckle. Beautiful.
Queen.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Especially subscribe if you want to see what else comes out of the honey hole.